Hello, I'm Naomi. It's the best time of year for Daikon Radish now. Today, I'm gonna make KO-HAKU NAMASU, savory red and white salad. This is one of the New Year's staple dish and traditionally made with carrots and daikon. But today, I substitute with persimmon in season. This channel is for non-Japanese who want to challenge to cook Japanese food but don't know what or how to cook it. In my channel, you will find a lot of popular Japanese dishes with many realistic hands-on tips and secret recipes that you will not find it anywhere else in every single clip. Please subscribe to the channel before start. You will not be disappointed. So, let's get started. Normally, all ingredients should cut in same size and the same way, but I'm gonna cut persimmon bigger so that I'd like you to enjoy the texture and sweetness of it. Actually, this is one of osechi, the New Year's dish in Japan. In the near future, I'll introduce how to prepare Japanese New Year's dish with trivias of how the Japanese celebrate the New Year Day with osechi. So please sub to my channel and look forward to it. How did you like it? Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.